I lost my son, Jordy, on the plane. For 4.5 years, I was president of the Victims of Pan Am Flight 103. The verdict came in as Megrahi, he was a proven agent of the intelligence agent for the Libyan government, was found guilty. Fhimah was found not guilty. Do I feel justice has been served? Yes, I do. Megrahi, well, this is a culmination of 13 years of hard work, but it's not the end. Now we go after Gaddafi. Gaddafi was the godfather. These guys were the hitmen.
Well, we've been asking the others, will this ever be over for you, no matter...
We only have part of the truth, and we only have a small measure of justice. What we have here is a foot soldier, but we don't have Gaddafi, and we don't have the rest of the Libyan agents who work with him to do this. And what's more than that, we don't have those from other governments who work with Libya to do this. We want this administration to do.
Remove the U.S. objections to having our hope now, which I think is almost an expectation, that we will get full justice and also the full truth out about this. Most conspiracies unravel from the bottom up, and the first one has now unraveled. And I can only hope that we can work with President Bush, with the State Department and the Justice Department to get full justice, which means, of course, that the civil lawsuits in this country can now proceed forward, that the criminal trials are done, and we can perhaps get, if not the full truth, at least the greater part of what happened to our loved ones.
It was very emotional, very, very emotional for me. As I said, I followed it so closely. I wanted so much for them to be found guilty because I knew in my heart they were guilty, and they were found guilty.
And I never expected this to ever get to court. So just from being at court was a major accomplishment. To see a guilty verdict is something I certainly did not expect.
Relief, but you know, I try to diminish in my own mind the importance of a potential outcome being negative in this trial, because I always remind myself that the worst we have survived, and anything would diminish in importance next to that fateful day. But I must tell you that it is with a form of relief that we experienced this today.